This portable carpet cleaner comes with 6 different brush heads and is highly capable in removing stains and debris from carpets and fabrics. One notable feature is the dual water tank system with a 0.6-liter sewage tank and a 1.8-liter clean water tank stored separately. This design allows for easy disassembly, filling, draining, and cleaning. This is the dragon fruit that was just cleaned off the carpet. You can clearly see that the color has blended into the carpet. Turn on this carpet cleaner and start by spraying water. Press the head of the tool into the carpet to extract the water and any stain along with it. Add the cleaning agent to accelerate the dissolution of the stains. Continue this process as needed. Spray scrub extract. It can be seen that the stains have been sucked into the sewage tank. This is a gap suction device. This machine has a suction force of 15 kilopascals, which can remove debris and pet hair. What I like the most is this TPE pet brush. I have a pet at home and there are always problems of defecating and shedding on the carpet. This machine can solve these issues. The brush head doesn't tangle the hair and can also quickly clean up pet urine stains. So it looks a ton better. Again, we could see that really nasty kind of yellow stain earlier, and now I can't even see it. It all looks very good. Glass brushes can be used to remove stains and watermarks from hard floors and glass surfaces. They are very useful for daily use. When you're all done cleaning, remove the scrub tool by pressing the button on top and pulling outwards. Now put on the hose rinse tool. Once that's in place, you can turn the machine back on and rinse out the hose. Simply pull the trigger and watch as that clean water and solution goes back through the hose and clears out anything left behind. Now look at the dirty water tank. Oh, gross! I can't believe this was hidden inside my clean looking rug. Hope this is helpful to you. If you want to know more about carpet cleaners, please subscribe to me to watch more videos.